Your vehicle's Serpentine belt drives power to surrounding devices like the AC, power steering, water pump, and alternator. As the Serpentine belt gets older, the rubber can start to wear away. The belt may crack, fray, or slip, causing misalignment or contamination. Signs of a worn, failing Serpentine belt can include chirping noises or squealing, visual cracks and wear, air conditioning or power steering failure, stalling, and breakdown. Don't ignore the warning signs. Save yourself from an inconvenient and possibly dangerous breakdown. Our certified and factory-trained technicians will inspect your Serpentine belt, replacing it with a new one from your vehicle's OEM or original equipment manufacturer. Our knowledgeable service techs will get you back on the road quickly and safely. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.